guys, welcome. I'm going to do a quick unboxing today of an ARAGON DIVEMASTER 9100. I think this is the 45mm version. They also do a 50. 50 I find is just a little bit too big for my wrists. Bit of a story behind this one. I actually bought an out-of-order Automatico off a gentleman on the Watch Gang Exchange, and got it in, had a look at it, noticed something under the crystal. It actually turned out, I thought it was a shard of glass, but I took it to the jeweler, and basically it turned out that there were elements of the face, or at least part of the glue or something around the edge, that was starting to peel off and kind of filter into the watch face. So I told the guy that I bought it from, and he super kindly offered all sorts of solutions, whether it be a refund or multiple different options for replacement watches. In the end, what happened was I selected this one, and he basically said, look, if you take that, you don't even worry about sending the Automatico back, which I thought was just, incredible, and it's very, very consistent with the experience I've had on the Watch Gang Exchange, is that there are so many good people on there, all just being genuine, and offering watches for sale, trade, anything wrong, they're very accommodating. So there's a bit of a positive story from Watch Gang Exchange. But here's the ARAGON, as always with the ARAGON's massive box. Is there any need for a box that size? Unless it's going to be like a display case, but anyway, I digress. So let's open it up. A bit of cardboard and bubble wrap. Here we go. Let's see, let's get this out. Get a little bit of an up-close look. So to me, 45mm is kind of ideal for my wrist size anyway. I've got a 6-inch wrist. Things tend to look a little bit gaudy anywhere more than that. So that is the face. Let me just... So yeah, it looks really good. Actually, some of the ARAGONs I think are a little bit overblown. I had a what was it, gauge 2, which was just too much. Really, it was like almost twice the height of this thing, and a 50mm casing. I think they even do a 55 in that one, but yeah, this is much more in keeping with what I would normally go with. Really nice. Nice little detail along the side, nice brushed steel. You can see just, it is brand new in box. So you can see the close-up of the face, nice sheen off the face itself. Obviously, nice detail with the chrono elements. And this little gauge up here is the power reserve, I believe. And I think, let me just see, I don't know if it's a turn crown or, yeah, okay. I think there's an area where you pump this and it goes up. Oh, here we go. I think this is it here. So you see that gauge, just the little power reserve is kind of cool. I don't know, I'm fairly new to watches, so I don't know if that's like a normal thing or not. But obviously it's an automatic watch. I assume this just gives it that little boost in case you're not wearing it for any extended length of time. Not sure how long that really lasts before it runs out and the thing needs reset, but there you go, there's it kind of maxed out. So yeah, the dial's really nice, the bezel. As with the last ARAGON I had, it's a little bit tough to move, but it's solid anyway, that's for sure. Let's see if it lines up at the top. Yeah. One more. Ding. There we go. So yeah, nice profile. I think this little element here is for, is it for the date setting? I think you set the date down there with that. I believe, if I'm wrong, just correct me. Nice open back. Let me see if I can get a bit more space here. You can actually see. Yeah, nice open back, a lot of detail, lovely. You see the kind of profile of the area that rests on your wrist. But this is about right. Let's see what it looks like on the wrist. Bit more of an idea of the overall kind of look. Gonna just size it now as well while I'm sitting here, but that's kind of what we're looking at. Hopefully you can see that okay. Nice watch, I have to say. I do like it. Some of the Aragons are, like I said earlier, a little bit gaudy. Just massive for the sake of being massive, which I don't like because it reminds me of the whole. One of the first watches I got was an Invicta. I think it was a sea spider, something like that. And it was just too much, you know. And yeah, I like the profile. It's quite simple, but it's very, very nicely done. A little bit of detail on the crown there with the Aragon icon there. But yeah, I'm super happy with the look of that. I could see myself wearing it. Alright guys, so let's see what it's like to wind. Like I said, it's a screw crown. Let's see. It is, what time? It's just coming up to midday. Nice smooth kind of motion here. There. And go. One thing actually I got wrong there in the unboxing is that this one does the date. As you can see, it's turning there. It's the 11th today. And then, let's pump it in. Yes, so what I got wrong earlier, I believe, was that the date is done by the crown. And then this little, I don't know, button in the side apparently does the month. So let's see if this actually works. I don't have any watch tools, I'm gonna give it a go with this. So for the date, sorry, the month, I hear you're supposed to just like pump this. So let me just do this, see if it works. Ah, there we go. There we go. Can you hold it? No, just have to. There we go. So that's how the month's done. There you go, there's the unboxing of the Aragon Divemaster 9100, I believe. Yeah, lots of nice detail, nice bezel, solid build quality, and very nice size for the wrist. Yeah, very nice size for the wrist. So anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that like button and hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll keep you posted with new videos as I release them. Meantime, hope you're having a great day, take it easy, and see you in the next one.